Welcome to our Black Friday holiday 2020 coronavirus give me a break already wish list. This year it feels like we need Black Friday deals and the goodies they promise more than ever. And we kind of deserve it this year, right? With that in mind, and our ever-present thirst for the latest and greatest smart home and security tech, we huddled up as a team and put together our wish list of the products we hope we can get our hands on for less this year. And because it's the season of giving and we really need to end 2020 on a high note, we are giving away 3 of the fancy schmancy items on our list. Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you can win in our Black Friday giveaway. To make it easy for you to follow and add things to your wish list, we've thrown everything into 4 categories: smart home essentials, smart home splurges, home security must-haves, and high-tech bonus goodies and stocking stuffers. And don't forget to do me a solid and subscribe to this channel for more videos to help you secure and smarten up your life for less. Don't forget that you'll find out how to win one of the items we're wishing for at the end of this video. I'll try to make it as enjoyable as possible for you to get there. Smart home essentials. These are the things you need if you or someone on your list are just getting started in that smart home life. I've given many of these items as gifts to my nearest and dearest, and it's really fun to see people incorporate these nifty devices and all the cool stuff they can do into their lives. And on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, it's the ideal time to snatch up these goodies for a lot less lettuce. A lot less lettuce. I don't think that works for me. Let's just say you'll be able to save a bundle. Top of our list, smart speakers with voice assistance. If you're not using Alexa or Hey Google to check the weather, find a recipe, turn on the lights, get someone to tell you you're pretty, you're totally missing out. We love voice assistants, and I especially like having something to boss around now that my kids are all grown up. On Black Friday, you can find deals that basically give these babies away, especially the entry-level versions of these devices. We're looking for deals on Google Mini and Amazon Echo Dots specifically. These are the smallest versions of these smart speakers, and we hope we can pick some up for at least half off. That'll mean we only pay around 20 or 30 bucks for one of these speakers. If you already have an Echo or own a Google Nest or home device, adding a Dot or Mini lets you expand the power of your voice control, literally. Right now, I have one in the living room downstairs, one in my landing upstairs, but I really also want one that permanently lives here in my office and another one in my bedroom. That way I won't have to yell as loud to turn the lights on and off or to get my space heater running in the morning. These mini speakers are also a great gift, and it's a really unintimidating way to add a little smart home pizzazz to a parent's, a grandparent's, or a friend's home. It's also a pretty impressive gift. It delivers a lot, especially if you get a screaming deal on Black Friday. So there you have it. The top of our list, we're looking for Amazon Echo Dots and Google Home or Nest Minis for at least 50% off. And that deal is already going on with some retailers, so you might get even better deals come Black Friday. After a smart speaker, the first smart product I added to my home was a smart light bulb. And several members of our team are also on the lookout for smart lighting deals this Black Friday. Brands we want to keep an eye on: Philips Hue smart bulbs. So far we're seeing deals up to 20% off, but I'd like to save 25% or more. Fingers crossed. We also are looking for the Eufy Lumos smart bulbs. Early sales are showing up to 40% off at some retailers, and that puts these bulbs right around 20 bucks for a 2-pack. That is a screaming deal. And we're looking for Liffix smart bulbs. These are some of my favorite smart lights, but sadly I'm not seeing any great deals yet. So hopefully by Black Friday or Cyber Monday, we'll see some discounts of 25% or better. And last on our list is a smart light starter kit. This includes a GE dimmable bulb with a Google Mini, all for just $45 at Home Depot. That's 2 smart home goodies for under $50. Boom. Smart plugs. These nifty gadgets turn anything that plugs into an outlet into a smart device. No wonder smart plugs were on nearly every Safewise staffer's list. Here are the ones we're hoping to find for a steal on Black Friday. TP-Link Casa smart plugs. Amazon has these on sale for an early deal of 25% off. That puts them around $15 for a 2-pack. We're also looking for Wemo mini smart plugs. Last year, these were marked down 55% on Black Friday, so we hope to find another deal just as sweet this year. And the Amazon smart plug. Rumor has it that Amazon's very own smart plug might be slashed down to just $5 on Black Friday. This is one to watch for sure. Okay, before we move on to our smart home splurges, let's do a quick rundown of the smart home essentials we want to score for cheap on Black Friday. First, we're looking for smart speakers for 50% off or better. We also want to find smart light bulbs ranging anywhere from 25% to 40% off. And finally, we're looking for smart plugs. We hope to pick up these babies for as little as $5 a piece or up to 55% off. If you're ready to take your smart home game to the next level, these are our picks for smart home splurges we want to score with big savings on Black Friday. We're on the lookout for a robot vacuum, a mesh router, and a smart alarm clock. At the top of my list is a robot vacuum. My brother just got a Roomba and I am obsessed. It is a game changer, especially if you have pets. Oh my gosh, no more pet hair everywhere all the time. No vacuuming 5 times a day. The robot does it for you. I love it. When it comes to robot vacuums, we're looking for deals on the iRobot Roomba. These are the OG robot vacuums, but they're also usually the priciest. But we are already seeing slight discounts between 10 and 30% off. That translates to between $20 and $300 off, depending on the model you're looking at. Hopefully by Black Friday or Cyber Monday, those price cuts will be even deeper. Next, we're looking for a mesh router. Right now, a mesh router might be more of a necessity than a splurge, especially if you're working from home or you have kids learning from home. A mesh router takes some of the stress off your regular Wi-Fi router and spreads your signal throughout your entire home. We're seeing early deals up to 40% off on popular brands like Google, Netgear, and Linksys. I bought my Google Nest mesh router and a booster point earlier this year, but I wish I could have waited for Black Friday deals. I paid almost $300 for mine, so don't be like me. Get the deals. And finally, a smart alarm clock. These are hot items this year, and one of our team members is looking to score one with gradual wake-up lighting to help make that transition into a new day just a whole lot smoother and a lot less rough. Here are a couple cool smart alarm clocks to watch for on Black Friday. The Ruggy Smart Alarm. Now, this smart clock doesn't even look like an alarm clock, and it certainly won't fit on your nightstand. This alarm clock is built into a memory foam floor mat, and you have to actually stand on it for about 3 seconds. It has to register the pressure in order to turn it off. So if you are a snooze addict, I might be, no more mornings lost to the endless cycle of hitting snooze over and over and over and over. The Ruggy retails for around $95, so we'd love to be able to pick one up for closer to $50. That's almost half off. And the Philips Morning Wake Up Light is exactly what our editor is dreaming of this Black Friday. This light helps you wake up and go to sleep without the jarring blare of that loud alarm. The sunrise simulation makes every morning easier. And if you have a hard time falling asleep, the alarm clock dims the lights and sets the tone with soothing audio sounds to help you drift off into slumber. Right now, this smart alarm clock is 17% off on Amazon, which means you can pick it up for around $40. But we'd sleep better if we could get an even better deal on Black Friday. Before we move on to some home security deals, here's a quick rundown of the smart home splurges we want to score for cheap on Black Friday. I'm looking for a Roomba robot vacuum for up to $300 off. We're also looking for mesh routers up to 40% off and a smart alarm clock for around half off. As you know by now, I'm a huge proponent of being proactive when it comes to safety instead of reactive, when it's already too late to make a real difference. At Safewise, it's no surprise that a lot of home security must-haves made our wish list. Here's a look at some of the security upgrades we want to get on the cheap come Black Friday. Smart locks and smart doorbells. Smart locks that open with nothing more than a touch or a signal from your smartphone topped the list of several staffers this year. We're on the lookout for a Yale Assure lock. This lock is compatible with most smart home hubs, and it uses a touchscreen and a PIN code. Early deals show about 15% off, but we hope to get even more savings on this $200 lock. The August Smart Lock. This is probably the prettiest smart lock out there, and it works with your current deadbolt, so you don't need to switch out the whole lock mechanism. The August lock retails for around $250, but we'd like to pick one up for less than $200 on Black Friday. And finally, we're looking for deals on the Schlage Encode. This is another one of our favorite smart locks, and it retails for around $250. Right now it's 15% off, but again, we hope that price dips below $200 on Black Friday. Smart doorbells. I often say that if you can only invest in one piece of home security equipment, a video doorbell delivers the biggest bang for your buck. We want smart doorbells with two-way talk, motion detection, and night vision. Here are some to watch for on Black Friday. Ring video doorbells. Ring pioneered the video doorbell craze, so we would love to score these stellar security devices for less. We've seen early deals for up to $100 off, depending on the model. We hope these deals stay strong and possibly improve through Black Friday and Cyber Monday. The Arlo video doorbell. Arlo is one of our favorite security camera brands, and prices have already been slashed in anticipation of Black Friday. The best early deal we've seen is the Arlo 3-piece bundle. This includes the video doorbell and 2 of Arlo's indoor-outdoor security cams. You can get $100 off that whole bundle. But we hope to see a standalone discount on the Arlo video doorbell that can save us up to 40% on this doorbell cam that retails for about $150 regularly. Before we move on to our final, and I think funnest category, here's a quick rundown of the home security must-haves we want to find for less on Black Friday. We're looking for smart locks under $200 and smart doorbells from Ring and Arlo for deep, deep discounts. Finally, this is my favorite category because we get to look at cool gadgets and gizmos that are unexpected, affordable, and if you're fitting them in a stocking, that means little. Let's jump right in. First on the list, tile trackers. Once again, this is an item about which I am obsessed. I don't know anyone who couldn't benefit from one of these tiny little trackers. They use GPS and Bluetooth to help you keep track of that thing you're always losing, whether it's your wallet, your keys, your mind. I'm not sure if I could stick one of these on there, but I am willing to give it a try. I've been extolling the virtues of these tile trackers for years, but I never really saw them in action until I got some for my son for his birthday this year. After losing both his wallet and his vape in 1 week, I put these babies on rush delivery. 1 week after he activated them, he left his wallet at a restaurant and he got an alert before he even made it home. He turned around and there it was, waiting for him at the hostess station. When I bought these this summer, it was $40 for 2 of these small tile stickers. I'm hoping to get double the bang for my buck in a Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale. I have got a lot of folks, you all know who you are, who could benefit from a tile tracker to make their life and the life of those in their life a lot less hectic. And good news is there are deals already happening. They have exclusive holiday tiles that start at just $37, and you can get 4 of the tile stickers for just $60. So that's $15 each. And they come with individual gift envelopes, so you don't even have to worry about wrapping them. Go ahead and add this item to your stocking savings wish list. Tile stickers right now are going for about $15 a piece. Woot! It's a great deal. In order to stuff as many goodies as I can into this segment, I'm gonna run through the rest of these babies kind of quickly. I know you're just dying for the giveaway instructions, so let's get this wish list wrapped up. First, the Birdie Alarm. This personal safety alarm is already up to 30% off, landing them under $30 a piece. These are made especially for women, and this little alarm is discreet, easy to use, and a percentage of all profits go to support women's health and safety around the world. The Birdie Alarm is perfect for a daughter, a mom, your BFF, or any other lady in your life that you want to keep safe. The Sabre Keychain Pepper Spray. This is another wee safety device that's perfect as a Hanukkah gift, a stocking stuffer, or just because. It's already pretty cheap at $12 retail, but Amazon's got it 17% off already. Nano Current Socks. Okay, these compression socks from Vive use silver and copper nanoparticles to generate microcurrents that promote circulation. These are perfect for avid hikers, climbers, or others like me who have nerve damage and circulation problems in your legs and feet. And bonus, they hide all that feel-good tech and big fancy sounding words in alpaca and merino wool. Woo. I haven't found any early deals for these high-tech socks yet, but I'd love Black Friday to give me up to $10 off. These are $24 a pair retail price. That's $12 a sock. I'd love that to get slashed. And headphones. This was one of the most wished for items from the Safewise team, and there are plenty of early deals already on the scene. Apple AirPods are marked down between $30 and $60, depending on if you go pro or not. Beats EP headphones are going for around $90, down from $130, and Powerbeats 3 wireless earbuds are half off. That means you can pick them up for a single Benjamin. Okay, it's almost time. But before I tell you how to win one of the 3 wish list items we're giving away, here's a super fast recap of the bonus goodies you should pick up on Black Friday. Tile trackers, the Birdie personal alarm for women, keychain pepper spray, nano current socks, and headphones. Thanks for hanging in there. I hope you got some inspiration for your Black Friday shopping from our 2020 wish list. And if you've got your eye on one of the 3 items we're giving away, here's how to win. Go to the Black Friday giveaway page linked in the description box below. Follow the steps listed on the form to enter the giveaway. Then we're gonna let winners know via email. Well, that's it, our entire Black Friday holiday 2020 coronavirus give me a break already wish list. Be sure to enter our Black Friday giveaway, and as always, stay informed and safe when you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, stay safe and happy shopping.